Charming, suspenseful, and lightning fast, Radiator Springs Racers is the most popular ride at Disney's California Adventure. This attraction isn't available during early entry, but we made the most of our 30 minutes by getting in line early, and it paid off because by park opening, the standby wait had already soared to 140 minutes. Little racers must be at least 40 inches tall to ride, but rider switch is available for families with smaller kids. There's also a single rider line and lightning lane pass for $22. Unlike Walt Disney World, you can grab a lightning lane pass the same day. Now let's race.
I'm just gonna do landscape.
Whoa! Slow down. You're not racing yet. Just follow Mater into town to get ready.
Mater! Going, Sheriff! Howdy! It's a big race, huh? It's gonna be fun. Hey, here comes our killer. It's easy. It sneaks up on me. Oh! Let's race!
And what? We have a visitor.
No visitors on this planet.
Welcome to Race Den.
Radiator Springs.
The champion needs speed
And stop.
Luigi, give our friend your best.
What goes on? For you, my friend, only the best.
Speak up.
Oh, yes. Look. Oh, quite a long time. Now you look like a real race car. Going up to the starting line.
Okay.
It takes more than new tires to win a race.
I'm your crew chief.
Well, so he was busy hard.
Get it into the groove. So pay attention.
Yes. Now you have the chance to make this the most glorious race of your life. Uno for the money, do it for the show. Right and then one, go!
Show me what you got, kid. Pour it out.
Oh no, we're losing! Woo!
I'm not. You won. I knew you did it again. Congratulations.
I forgot how fast that was. Amazing.
Wow, great race, everybody. Look who won.
How you feel? Because we made new friends. We won! Shoot, new friends is way better than you drunk. You can't talk to the coach. Can't go grab your tip with no trophy. You can't hate her. I'm done.